Hi, I just want to give you a quick introduction to the Botometer tool. I want to talk about how to use it. I will show you it's really easy. Here, it's publicly available to everybody. You just need to type in this URL, botometer.awesome.iu.edu, or you can search Botometer in Google. The first result should be it. And once you click the link, you will see this interface, which is our website. It's really straightforward to use. First of all, in order to use Botometer, you do need to have a Twitter account, and here you need to log in your Twitter account. This way, Botometer can fetch data from Twitter on your behalf to do the analysis. So I'm already logged in, so I can start to use it. And to use Botometer is really simple. Here, you just type in the screen name of the user that you want to check and click Check User, and that's it. So here, let me do a quick demonstration of checking my own account. This is my Twitter handle. I just put it in here and click Check User. What Botometer does is it will go to Twitter and fetch my profile, my recent tweets, and some other information, and then analyze the data it got, and then produce a score between 0 and 5, and return the score to you. And here you can see I'm getting a 0.3 out of 5 score, which means I'm highly human-like. However, if an account has a higher score, it means it's bot-like. And actually, I have an example for you. So here, this account, it's a self-declared bot. The author made it really clear this is a bot. So let me show you how it works. Again, you check this user screen name, and you can see for this account, it has a score 4.1 out of 5. And it's indicating that Botometer is able to identify this bot account. In order to just checking the final results, Botometer actually offers more information that you can to help you analyze what's going on. For example, for my own account, you can click this result and see more analysis. For example, Botometer provide a series of different bot type scores to tell you which kind of bots this account is likely to be. But in my case, I'm really like a human, so I'm not like any of them. Another really interesting thing you can do here is to check the details of this account. You just click the details, and then you can see many information about this account. The most interesting part is this, the temporal patterns of this account. For example, you can see for me, I'm tweeting every day, but less likely during the weekend. And for each day, you can see perhaps between 12 a.m. and 8 a.m. I'm sleeping, but for the rest of the time, I'm tweeting. However, if we check the other account, which is the bot account, you can see this bot, Botometer think it's really like the self-declared bot, and also we have a category called other, which there are some bots we don't know how to characterize them, so we call them other. That's also useful information. However, what's really interesting is here, if you check the detail of this account, what you see here is this account doesn't seem to sleep. That's a clear sign of automation. And also, this account doesn't tweet on Tuesday and Wednesday. That's also some program, I guess. Yeah, that's all I want to share how to use Botometer.